Hello and welcome guys to Reception. This video is all about the ICSE 2022 Class 10 Geography Board Semester System. In this video we are going to cover three things. First, we will cover the semester system syllabus for geography. Second, we are going to cover a few tips using which you can prepare for the first semester. And third, we are going to cover a few types of MCQs that can be asked in semester 1. So make sure that you watch this video till the end, and if you like it, do hit the thumbs up button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel Eduception. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified of all our videos. Before beginning, let me tell you that Eduception has already covered the entire syllabus of ICSE Class 10 Geography. I'll put a link to that playlist in the description box below and your top right corner. Make sure to check it out, it will surely help you. Now, let's begin with the semester system syllabus. First, we are going to discuss the syllabus for the first semester that will be held during the month of November 2021. So guys, the semester 1 examination will be a MCQ type examination and it will be held online. Let's discuss the syllabus. First, you have the Topographical Survey of India. So the entire section of Topographical Survey of India is present in the semester 1 syllabus. Moving on to the theory chapters. From theory chapters, first you have Climate of India. The second chapter you have is Soil Resources. The third chapter is Natural Vegetation, and the fourth chapter is Water Resources. So basically you have the Topographical Survey of India and 4 theory chapters in the syllabus of semester 1 examination. Over here I would like to mention that we have already covered the reduced syllabus for ICSE 2022 Geography. Make sure to check it out. If you check out that video, you will understand the topics that have been removed from the syllabus and the topics that you don't have to study. Now we will move on to the syllabus of the second semester examination. Moving on to the syllabus for second semester examination. Guys, the second semester examination will be held in the months of March and April 2022. It will be a normal examination and it can either be held offline or online depending on the pandemic situation of the country during the months of March and April 2022. Let's check out the syllabus. First, you have the entire section of map pointing. Then from the theory section, the first chapter in your syllabus is Mineral and Energy Resources. The second chapter is Agriculture, and by agriculture I mean all the 3 chapters of agriculture, that are Introduction, Food Crops and Cash Crops. Then you have the third chapter, Manufacturing Industries, and by manufacturing industries I mean both the chapters of manufacturing industries, which are mineral based industries and agro based industries. Then the fourth chapter is transport and the fifth chapter is waste management. So basically you have the entire section of map pointing and 5 chapters from the theory section for the semester 2 examination. Now we will move on to a few tips using which you can prepare for the first semester examination. Moving on to a few tips using which you can prepare for the first semester geography exam. First of all, let me tell you guys, treat this exam like a normal geography board exam because the syllabus of ICSE Class 10 Geography is simple and straightforward. MCQs can be asked from the entire syllabus from any section. So treat it like a normal geography board exam. First, thorough reading and writing. For geography, thorough reading and writing the important parts is very important. So for all the theory chapters that are present in the first semester syllabus, go through them properly and write all the important parts of those chapters. That way the important parts will enter your mind and will never leave you. Next, solve at least 2 topographical surveys in a week. Guys, the best way to prepare for topography is practice, practice and practice. So from today onwards till the date of your examination, solve at least 2 entire sets of topographical survey in 1 week. That will really help you, and that way topographical survey will be clear to you. Next, go through at least the last 10 years board questions. So this is also very important. Try to go through at least the last 10 years board questions of all the chapters that are in your syllabus. That way you will understand what type of questions are asked. Guys, let me tell you that if you follow these 3 points and if you watch all our videos on geography, you will be more or less cleared for the geography exam. So do that and it will surely be helpful. Now we'll move on to some type of MCQs that can be asked in your first semester examination. Moving on to a few types of MCQs that can be asked in the first semester geography exam. Guys, I think that most of the MCQs in the first semester geography exam will be direct and straightforward MCQs because the syllabus of ICSE Class 10 Geography is very simple and straightforward. Let's check it out. First, direct MCQs. Like I told you, direct and straightforward MCQs will be asked. For example, black soil is found in which of the following regions? 4 options are given, and out of these 4 options you will have to select the correct answer. Second, topic based MCQs. Now a big topic will be given, and based on that topic there will be 2 or 3 MCQs that you will have to answer. Let me give you an example. Say, with reference to tropical evergreen forest, answer the following. So the topic over here is tropical evergreen forest, and you will have to answer 2 MCQs. First, the forest is also called. There are 4 options. You will have to select the correct answer. Second, the annual rainfall is, and there are 4 options. You will have to select the correct answer. So guys, with the end of that, I will end this video over here and take your leave. As always, new videos on Reception are coming very soon, so stay tuned. Until then, this is Rishi on behalf of Reception signing off, and guys, take care.